I recommend it to anybody that wants to save money and just enjoy themselves.
And I just want to say to anybody out there, this is not a gimmick, this is for real. And it's on our counter, it's part of our kitchen, and we just love it.
Wow!
I would tell anybody to buy it. And
watch, it's so easy.
Literally hundreds of uses.
Wow!
Ladies, 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 have we got the fragrance for you?
We have. It's very exciting.
It's made of several layers. Each layer, with its unique properties, adds to the final product.
It has a unique blend of vitamins, minerals, and essential oils.
It's absolutely original. It's a bit more earthy, I would say. Again, 100% natural.
It's a gorgeous design as well. I mean, it kind of reminds
It's
me
beautiful.
of Diamond, isn't it?